Hello friends, welcome in KK Java tutorials. In previous video tutorial, we had talked about code templates within the Oracle SQL Developer. In this video tutorial, we are going to look into the similar feature that is called code snippets. So using this feature within the Oracle SQL Developer, you can speed up your typing speed, right? So let me show you through an example. So guys, to access this code snippets feature, you will have to go to the view and then come down, and after SSH you have a snippets. Click on the snippets. Now how this is going to improve your basically typing speed. Here basically this code snippets has several categories. So first of all, you can say aggregate functions. So all the aggregate functions are listed over here. So if let's say I would like to do some data selection, like select, and I would like to find the total number of records, then I don't need to type this one, just I'll drag and drop over here, and I'll say from employee, and here I'm done. Yeah, let's say I'm trying to find max salary, then I'll drop max, then comma, then I would like to say mean from employee, right? Then here you can see this is going to speed up your timing speed, right? Let's say I would like to get the salary, max and mean salary from employee table, right? So here you can see easily I can get. So there are a lot of categories of code snippets. So what we have explored till yet, that comes under the aggregate functions. If you look into the analytic functions, then you have a lot of basically features, right, within the analytical. Then you have character functions. If you want to play around the character functions, all the functions are listed over here, right? So let's say I would like to use like select, and let's say init cap, right? So here if I specify a name as, sorry, everything I'm going to give in a small letter, right? But I want first letter to be capitalized, so that's what we have. A function is called init cap from dual. So if you want to test something very quickly, then you can use dual table. If I run it, then here you can see first a letter has been capitalized. So these are the functions comes under the character functions. Then you have conversion functions. You have, if you want to convert from one data type to a character and all. Then date formatter, you have various category you have. If you look into the flashback, then I think these are the basically functions which mostly used by the DBA. So there are many categories you have, right? You can use these code snippets very frequently while writing the code, store procedure and all, right? If you want to define your own code snippets, then easily you can click on this plus sign, and here one pop-up comes out, and here you can specify in which category you would like to put your custom defined code snippet. That category you can select from the drop down. Then you need to define your name of the snippets, then tooltip, and finally you need to specify your actual code snippet, right? And that you can use over here, right? So guys, this is one of the very good feature I wanted to share with you. Hope this will basically make effect in your day-to-day life development task, and you'll get some advantage. Guys, big thank you, and see you there in the next video tutorial.